They hasten to break the fast and they delay the suhoor. So the sunnah is not to eat the suhoor early. Some people, okay, they take everything now before they go to bed. But the sunnah is to delay the suhoor. Delay the suhoor close to the fajr. This is the sunnah, and this is what the khairiyah will always be with us as an ummah if we delay the suhoor. I'm clear.
Are kids allowed to fast until lunch?
If kids are allowed to fast until lunch, I think they have to speak to their father. If yes, kids can practice fasting because it is not obligatory upon them. It is not compulsory. It's not compulsory. It's not that you have to, but it is good that you practice, because when you are a grown-up, it becomes compulsory. You have to fast when you're a grown-up. So if you start to practice now, clean, sometimes you fast for 3 hours, 4 hours, then when you feel tired, you break your fast. Even before 12 o'clock, if you start fasting from 4 o'clock now, you can break your fast 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock, as long as you
full fasting, then you get a full day reward.
You see,
If you make it twice, you get 2 days.
you will be, inshallah, your parents will be rewarded for this, and you will be rewarded as well, inshallah. Okay, do we have any other question finally? Okay, jazakumullah khairan. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.